develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Doubleheader.
If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure.
Right here, and
For
then
your protection, move
another
to
one.
an interior room
Tornado
on the
warning.
lowest floor of a building.
3, 2, 1. Yep. So that's for this storm. Oh, this is just near Stillwater, actually. Ooh, yeah, that's some pretty strong rotation. Right there.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for East Central Logan County in central Oklahoma, Central Payne County in central Oklahoma, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Tornado possible damage that considerable for Canadian and Grady, which are just near Oklahoma City.
45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and
Right
golf
here.
ball size hail.
This is
a
Grady
indicated threat rotation. The
and
following
Canadian.
effects are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without
That
shelter.
is
Mobile
for
homes will be damaged
this
or
storm.
destroyed.
Ooh, wait.
Damage to
That
roofs,
looks...
windows, and vehicles will occur.
This looks weird right
Damage is
here.
likely.
Y'all see that?
Locations impacted include Stillwater, Yale,
City of
Glenville,
Stillwater is
Key,
under a tornado
Lake Carl,
warning.
Blackwell, and Ingalls. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 169 and 1. And protect yourself from flying debris. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh.
A severe thunder